tomorrow will be better. F of x is this. Find F inverse of this. This is how to correctly read it, dear friends. Follow me. Solution. The first thing to find the inverse of a function is to introduce another variable here. Let it be y. So we will let our function f of x, which is actually this, to now become another variable y. So we will say let f of x be equal to y. This means wherever I see f of x, I replace it by the variable y. So this implies instead of f of x, I will say y equals the fifth root of 9 minus 11x. At this point, dear friends, I want to rewrite this right-hand side in exponential form for us to better perceive what's happening. So 9 minus 11x all to the power of 1/5. This is in accordance with one of the rules or one of the laws of indices. Now, we have y equals to this raised to the power of 1/5. The target here, dear friends, is to make this x here the subject of the formula. And to do this, we have to start by getting rid of this exponent here. And to get rid of this exponent here, we will raise both sides of our equation to the power of 5. It means I'm raising the left-hand side to the power 5 and raising the right-hand side to the power of 5. The objective of this, dear friends, is that this will do away with this. So that now to the left I will have y to the power of 5 equals to the right, and now have something linear, no more exponents. Now remember we are targeting at making x the subject of the formula. So what I'll do next is this. I will bring this term which has x to the left in order to do away with this minus, and then bring the y to the right. So this means this negative 11x will go to the left and become positive 11x is equal to, there was 9 here which I will carry again. Now y moves to the right and becomes minus y to the power of 5. At this point, nothing else to be done but to divide both sides by the coefficient of this x, which is 11, in order to free up x. So this goes with this. Therefore, our x is equal to 9 minus y to the power of 5 divided by 11. We ain't done here, dear friends. Remember, this y is just something we introduced. It wasn't there initially. Now, the final step will consist of this. We will replace this y by the initial variable which we had, which is x, and then replace this x by what we are actually looking for, which is the inverse function. So we will say, therefore, f inverse of x is equal to 9 minus, instead of y now we will put x to the power of 5 divided by